Welcome to WiZiGa, everyone. Kevin here. WiZiGa is job management software to simplify daily operations for small businesses. Let's go over the client management features of WiZiGa today. And what we're looking at is the administrator mobile view. All these features are available on your desktop view, and quite frankly, sometimes easier on the desktop simply due to the bigger screen size. There's a couple of ways you can get to your client details. If one of your clients are showing up on your main dashboard, like this one here, Client John, you can check them out by just touching their name. This brings you to the client overview, which are the details when you added the client. Any notes, and importantly, every single job that you've ever done for the client and the status of those jobs, what the jobs were, the dates of those jobs, the hours of the jobs, the profit margins, cost values, and nets. If you want to get to any one of the jobs to reference something from the past, just touch on one of the dates. You get the financials condensed for you, and notice at the bottom, profit average all clients, 35%. This client is showing above profit average. This is a good client. Pays his bills, obviously, and makes you above average profit. If there's any files attached to the client, this lists all the jobs with files under this client. In this case, the demo, there's only one, but let's take a look at it. And here's all the photos from this job for reference to go back and have a look at. The second way to get to a client is just open the menu, go under clients where you can add. You can import a client list in bulk. So for example, if you're just starting off and you want to import your QuickBooks client list, you can do that there. You can delete clients, search your clients. Now notice the three icons on the right. The four squares are for adding a job for the client. The edit icon is for just that, editing the client details. And the plus is for more information. And we're back where we started. So I hope you all found this informative. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Check us out at WiZiGa.com. All our subscriptions have a free trial, so they are risk-free. You all have yourself a great day.